Embracing the Portuguese palate, premium coconut shell briquettes are tailored to resonate with Portugal's rich culinary heritage and love for outdoor gatherings. Infused with the mild and pleasant flavor of coconut shell, these briquettes perfectly complement traditional Portuguese barbecue and grilling preferences. Moreover, their eco-friendly nature aligns seamlessly with Portugal's commitment to sustainable living, making them an ideal choice for conscientious consumers. Portugal's warm climate and vibrant outdoor lifestyle provide the perfect backdrop for the natural charm of coconut-infused grilling and shisha sessions. These briquettes not only offer an authentic outdoor cooking experience but also serve as an invitation to embrace the essence of outdoor living in Portugal. Whether it's a leisurely barbecue with friends or a relaxed shisha session by the beach, these briquettes enhance every aspect of the outdoor culinary experience. Additionally, premium coconut shell briquettes encourage culinary exploration by allowing enthusiasts to incorporate local flavors and traditions into their grilling and shisha sessions. From infusing traditional Portuguese spices into grilling marinades to incorporating elements of Portuguese culture into shisha blends, the possibilities for fusion cooking are endless. This culinary fusion not only adds depth to the flavor profile but also celebrates the diversity of Portuguese cuisine. Furthermore, these briquettes elevate traditional Portuguese dishes by providing a subtle backdrop of coconut flavor. Whether grilling sardines, chorizo, or other staples of Portuguese cuisine, the mild aroma of coconut enhances the overall dining experience. Similarly, in shisha sessions, enthusiasts can experiment with incorporating Portuguese elements such as local fruits, herbs, or liqueurs, creating a sensory journey that reflects the richness of Portuguese culture.